for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 BMW M5. The BMW M5 has delighted driving enthusiasts with a combination of breathtaking performance, stunning agility, and elegant luxury to create a unique driving experience. The BMW M5, introduced to the American market in October of 2005, takes those attributes to an even higher level than its predecessors with new design, new technology, and new engineering to create what truly can be considered an intriguing combination of a sports car and a luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, navigation system, stability control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes.